Hi friends, now we are going to discuss the values of six trigonometric ratios for standard angles, for certain angles. Okay, this is very useful for 10th class students. There is a trick how to remember the values of six trigonometric ratios for certain angles. The certain angles are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. These are the certain angles, standard angles for these six trigonometric ratios. Suppose if you apply sine, the trigonometric ratio sine 0 value how much? Sine 30 degrees how much? Sine 45 degrees how much? Sine 60 degrees how much? Sine 90 degrees how much? So how to remember these values for six trigonometric ratios? There is a table, okay. Here there is a trick for this table also. Okay, this is a tricky math. You have to remember. Very easy to remember these values of six trigonometric ratios for standard angles. Just we go through it. Look here. First, here the certain angles are 0 degrees, for 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. And write the six trigonometric ratios in such a way: sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant and cosecant. Okay, sine, cos, tan you write in order. Remaining three your wish, you can write any order. But sine, cos, tan you write in one order. First sine, next cos and then tan, like that. Okay, now we go through the trick how to remember that. Here for 0 degrees you write root 0 by 2. For all the angles here, if you see the denominator is 2, that you have to remember. Denominator is 2, you have to remember. Okay, and see the numerator, first root 0, next root 1, root 2, root 3 and then root 4. Just the serial number start from 0, that is with square root 2. That is with the square root 2. Square root of 0, square root of 1, square root of 2, square root of 3 and square root of 4. These are the numerators for the given, and the denominator is same, that is 2. You write like that. Root 0 by 2. After root 0 you will get root 1. Next root 2. Next root 3. Next root 4. But the denominator is same, see, for all. This you have to remember. And angles also you write in one order. First 0 degrees, next 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees in ascending order. You write the angles in ascending order. Now we go through here how to remember them. Here whatever the values I have written, okay, these values you apply for sine. These values, whatever the values I have written in one order with a trick, these values for a sine according to the angle. So here sine 0, root 0 by 2. Root 0 value is 0, 0 by 2. 0 by 2, so 0. Like that here root 1 by 2. Root 1 value is 1. So 1 by 2. So right here 1 by 2. I mean sine 0 is 0. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. In the same way here root 2 by 2. Root 2 by 2 means how will you write? Root 2 by root 2 into root 2. So root 2 cancel here, 1 will be. So 1 by root 2 I can get. So I am getting here 1 by root 2, because root 2 by 2. 2 I can write root 2 into root 2. Root 2 cancel, 1 by root 2 is left. This is for sine 45 degrees. 1 by root 2. Next root 3 by 2, as it is, there is no any cancellation, root 3 by 2. And root 4 means 2. You know square root of 4 is 2. That is why I can write here root 4 by 2 equals to, I can write 2 by 2. 2 cancel and 1 is the answer. So I can write here 1. That is sine 90 degrees is 1. So this is for sine, we can remember 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. I mean sine 0, 0, sine 30, 1 by 2, sine 45, 1 by root 2, sine 60, root 3 by 2 and sine 91. This you remember. Okay. Next, if you make it reverse, that is for cos. What is the last value? Write for, okay, first in cos, I mean cos 0 value write as 1. That 1 you write as first. Next root 3 by 2 you write as here second, and this is middle one as it is comes here. Next 1 by 2 comes here and 0 here. Just 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. This is per sign. Okay, whatever I have written per sign, make it reverse. 1 first, next root 3 by 2, next 1 by root 3 in the middle, that comes as it is, and 1 by 2, and 0 here first in sign, that comes as last in cos. Okay, done. Next come to the tan. Tan is nothing but sin by cos. Make it divide. 0 by 1. 0 by 1 is 0. Next 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. So here 2 cancel, 1 by root 3 is left. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. So this 2 and this 2 cancel. In the numerator 1 is left, in the denominator root 3 is left. This is by. So 1 by root 3 we can write here. Next here 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 cancel. 1 is left. So that is the answer here. Next root 3 by 2, 1 by 2. 2 cancel. Root 3 by 1 we have. Root 3 by 1. 1 is the denominator. Then you get the numerator root 3 is the answer. Next 1 by 0. Something by 0 is infinity. So you can write here infinity symbol like this. Sleeping 8. Number 8 you know that you make it horizontal. That is called sleeping 8. That is the symbol for infinity, not defined. Okay. Next for cotangent. So whatever tangent you have written, make it reverse. The last is infinity. Then here comes for cot as first. See here for tan 0 degrees is 0. Tan 30 degrees 1 by root 3. Tan 45 degrees is 1. And tan 60 degrees root 3. Finally tan 90 degrees is infinity. This you make it reverse, then you will get for cot. So the last one is infinity. It comes as first for cot. And from the last second one is root 3. Here from first to second. And 1 as it is. Next 1 by root 3. And finally we can write 0. Next come to the secant. Secant nothing but reciprocal of cos. Here already 1 is there, so 1 by 1. 1 by 1 is nothing but 1. Next root 3 by 2. What is the reciprocal of root 3 by 2? Make it reverse, 2 by root 3. So that is why we are getting here 2 by root 3. Next here for cos 1 by root 2 we have. So make it reverse, root 2 by 1. Root 2 by 1 means we are getting root 2 only. Next here 1 by 2 we have. Make it reverse, 2 by 1 is 2. Next we have 0. 0 by 1. This is for cos I am telling and making you reverse, and we are getting, okay, what is that? Secant. 0 by 1. 0 means this is 0 by 1. 0 means 0 is nothing but 0 by 1. If you make it reverse, 1 by 0. If you make it reverse, 1 by 0 you will get. So for this we can write 1 by 0 is nothing but what is that? Infinity. So I can write here this is infinity. Okay. In the same way, whatever I wrote for secant, make it reverse, you will get cosecant. So then first what is there? Infinity. Infinity I have. So whatever the last one you write as first. Next this will get 2, and next root 2, and next 2 by root 3, and finally 1. This just make it reverse. The last one as first, and from the last second one is second from the first. Like that we are writing. We'll get cosecant values. Otherwise cosecant we can find out from the sign also. Reciprocal of sign values just you take. 0 by 1, make it reverse, 1 by 0, infinity. 1 by 2, make it reverse, 2 by 1, 2. 1 by root 2, make it reverse, root 2 by 1, root 2. Root 3 by 2, make it reverse, 2 by root 3. See. Next 1 means 1 by 1, make it reverse, 1 by 1 only. So answer is 1. Like that we can remember the values of 6 trigonometric ratios, okay, of certain angles, okay, by this trick. So if you subscribe my channel, then you will get many tips in maths and physics also. Okay, is it clear? Thank you all.